Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you.
There's something in the
You're gonna
teachers.
stab
I'm
a
not
razor
gonna
blade.
stab you. Just hold still. I think it's a grape seed. That didn't hurt.
Like-
Have something in your teeth while we film. What's up, guys? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty here at WrapSesh.
What's up, guys?
We are going to talk about our prep process for laying down stripe kits. When we do stripe kits in our shop, 9 times out of 10, or I want to say 11 times out of 10, we lay them as freehand knifeless kits. So we lay all the stripes by hand. Some people like to do pre-cut kits. There's lots of companies that make pre-cut stripes, but a lot of times, like when you're going over areas like a bumper or something that's more curved and you have to stretch that stripe, you can make it taper if it's already pre-cut.
Especially if there's 2 stripes
Oh yeah.
going over a curved surface that tapers, it doesn't work.
It just doesn't,
So-
it's not a stripe anymore.
So, because they start to want to just crisscross, and
Yeah.
or else go, and it doesn't really work. And so it is better if you're doing a full bumper-to-bumper stripe kit to just do a knifeless design.
Yeah, and I think our weaker points in our shop is actual design stuff because we're horrible on technology. We're really, really good with our hands. So 9 times out of 10, we prefer to just lay stuff by hand and do it our way because it makes more sense to us. But if you guys do cut kits, that's awesome too.
Everyone does their own way.
So with this particular one, what kind of car is this?
This is an Audi S8.
This is an Audi S8. We're actually doing a 3-layer custom stripe kit, so we need to do this all by hand. It's just easier. So the base is going to be in KPMF Ice Red Titanium, right?
Learn these colors.
Word. It's matte Ice Red Titanium. So like the last Mustang we did, it's that red. And then we're gonna have a satin black outer stripe on each side, and then we're gonna finish the whole thing off with 4 accent pins in like a
Silver.
satin aluminum silver from Avery, I believe. So 3
be pretty
different brands, 3 different colors, really cool stripe kit.
Oh no.
Look what you did. Okay, so we're gonna start out how we do everything as far as measuring out, and the first things first is finding center, yeah?
Center.
So finding center is super easy. We just get on either side of the car. We'll measure the same points across, and then Michael tells me whatever the length measurement is, and then I just beep boop beep, Asian math it out.
Those are calculator thing.
I Asian math it out, and we find the center point, and then we mark it with a pencil. You got a wax
Usually
pencil?
a wax pen or a dry erase marker or something that's
Dry
gonna
erase, that's
come
you.
off.
Wax pen.
Yeah, something that's not gonna, you know.
And we'll do that a couple times on each panel, and that marks our center line, and then from there, we measure
You can
out
create your stripe.
to whatever size it is.
Yeah.
So, you know, if we're doing a 7-inch or an 8-inch stripe, we would measure 4 inches out from the center line. In this case, this hood line is going to be
Tapered.
So it's gonna kind of narrow down towards the front, and then the rest of it will all be a
Straight line.
straight, consistent
Yeah.
stripe.
So on the hood, when we do the taper, we're just gonna mark 2 points in the rear and 2 points in the front
And then connect
at
the
2 different
lines.
measurements, and then just connect those lines.
Right. And Michael's really, really good about laying knifeless tape, probably because he has such a large wingspan.
Sometimes.
I personally prefer to lay like blue masking tape down first to have more of a visual line to see, and then I usually lay the green tape next to it, the knifeless tape. But
And I
that's
just
your
go for it.
preference. He just lays the whole thing and can stretch out across the whole panel. Fun size problems, but yeah. let's
Everyone
get
has their
started.
own technique on it. So yeah, there's so many different ways to install this stuff. You just gotta
Whatever works
find your
for you.
technique, yeah, for sure. Any way to get that straight line. Another better way to do this, if you're by yourself, is to get one of those material tape measures that are soft and they have magnets in them. So you can literally lay it over there and just lay it across the hood, and you're not gonna worry about anything.
Quick shout out to Tint Life, who is all the way over in Illinois. She actually designed a bunch of shirts and sent them over to us, and she has a bunch of like installer and tint related gear. So what does this say?
Wrap Monster.
Wrap Monster. She gave me another shirt that says just the tip with a
Got
like
nice
a cell
little-
blade.
Yeah.
And we got a couple more. We're gonna be wearing them this next few weeks for our episodes. So huge thank you to Tint Life.
Oh,
Check
thank
her
you.
out. Thanks for watching our episode today. If you guys want to see the full project all finished up, make sure to check out our social media. That is Benefix and Wraps and WrapSesh. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the WrapSesh vibe. See you guys next week.
Hey.